Hey guys, Luke here from LJ Hooker Dunedin. We're at 136 Morris Road here in Fairfield. This great entry-level lifestyle property has heaps to offer, over just 1 hectare. It's got double garage, it's got 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and it's got a separate sleep out as well. Come along and have a look.